Simplify x cubed plus 27 over x squared minus 16 divided by x squared plus 8x plus 15 over x squared plus x minus 20. When you have a fractional expression divided by a fractional expression, we're going to perform that division by writing this as a multiplication times the reciprocal of the second fraction. So let's do that first. This division is equivalent to the first expression, x cubed plus 27 over x squared minus 16, times the reciprocal of the second one, which would be x squared plus x minus 20 over x squared plus 8x plus 15. It's a good idea to do this first. Rewrite that as a multiplication. Now we're going to factor. This is a sum of cubes, which factors into x plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9. And in the denominator we have x plus 4 times x minus 4. And we're going to be multiplying the numerators anyway, so let's extend that and we'll write the multiplication as we factor. X squared plus x minus 20 factors into x plus 5 times x minus 4. And x squared plus 8x plus 15 is x plus 3 times x plus 5. Now that we have a product in the numerator, a product in the denominator, we can remove factors equal to 1. We have x plus 5 over x plus 5, that equals 1. We have x plus 3 over x plus 3, that equals 1. And x minus 4 over x minus 4 equals 1. Looking what we have left, we have the factor x squared minus 3x plus 9. We can write it with parentheses, but since it's the only factor, we don't need to write it that way. X squared minus 3x plus 9. Whoops, I didn't put that first parenthesis in there. Over, the only factor left in the denominator is x plus 4. So the simplified form is x squared minus 3x plus 9 over x plus 4.